What is up, guys? If you have seen my previous video, we talked about how colors affect a website, how it makes it more attractive. So if you haven't checked the previous video, I'll put the link in the description. Go check it out first and then come to this video. And in this video, we are going to look at some of the very basic websites that helps to create a great impact to your website by choosing a color for you. So you heard it right. I will tell you the websites that will show you, that will generate you some color palettes that are absolutely mind-blowing. And I will also tell you a Chrome extension that will help you very much. So let's get into the first website. We call it as colorhunt.com, right? So I'm searching it. We have found the website. So just go to the website and you will see some amazing color palettes that you could use in your own website. We have hearts here to show us how much people like this color palette, right? So, and we also have the hexadecimal code for specific colors. You could just copy that out, paste it in your website, and just see the magic. So you could use the whole bunch of color palette in your website with a specific pattern that is shown in this website, and it will create your website much more attractive, right? So this is the first website you should probably go check out, and its name is Color Hunt. Don't forget it. And we have loads of colors here chosen by perfect designers. And then let's go to the another website here. We call it as Colors, right? So just we search it, color palette. You will see the first website here. That's the website which also shows us the color palettes here. So you should generate the color palette. It would automatically generate you a color palette. We'll just take that out, right? So we have different color palettes here. It is same as Color Hunt, but we have other features like you can probably copy the hexadecimal code. You can remove the color from that color palette. So we have 4 colors now, and we could also save the color palette. We could press space to generate another color palette here. So we have different color palettes. You could just see I'm pressing space button, and you have to sign out to save your color palette. And that's the website. It's a perfect website for a perfect web designer. So the third one is not a website but a Chrome extension. We call it as Zilla. So it is a color picker, right? If you see a website that's absolutely amazing, right? It uses a bloody amazing color, then you would like to apply that color into your website. And how do you do that? How would you know the hexadecimal code of that particular color? You can't search for a color, right? So you could just enable this Chrome extension, and it is absolutely free. And when you enable it, just click on the button, just open the Chrome extension, right? So you will see the hexadecimal code, the RGBA value of different colors that are shown in the website. You have to hover over the particular color that you want, and you would see the hexadecimal code. It would be automatically picked, so don't worry. And we also have some of the other things like palette history over here, and we also have amazing thing over here, right? So we have palette history here, and you could also see all the colors that are used in this particular website, right? You could also see all the colors. I will show you in a moment, right? So that's how it works, and it is absolutely amazing. You should probably check it out. So here we see all the colors that are used in this website, and it's absolutely amazing. You could just select the color and use it in your website. That will make your website much more attractive. And you could also pick your own color and see the hexadecimal code of that website. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, smash the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one.